Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the VM is safe to remove. This prevents data loss. First, check whether the VM is running, saved, or off, and note any open work. Once done, export or take a checkpoint if you might restore it later. That preserves disks and configuration. Next, shut down the guest operating system from inside the VM. Make sure services stop cleanly. Then use Hyper-V Manager to turn the VM off so you can delete it without corrupting virtual disks. With the VM powered off and backed up, delete it from Hyper-V Manager. Right-click the VM and choose Delete to remove its configuration object. After that, locate the VM's virtual hard disks, typically VHDX files, and delete them from the host storage, only if they aren't used by other VMs. If the VM had checkpoints, make sure to remove any snapshot files and merge or delete them as needed. This avoids leaving orphaned files consuming disk space and prevents configuration conflicts later. Finally, confirm that the VM is gone from Hyper-V Manager and that its storage location shows freed space. This verifies a clean removal. If deletion fails, make sure you have administrative permissions and check that no process is locking the VHDX. Sometimes stopping Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management Service briefly helps. If you accidentally deleted the wrong VM, restore from an export or backup immediately. Acting fast increases the chance of full recovery. Keep regular exports to avoid data loss in the future.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.